Welcome makers to the laser world with Sublimon Cheese. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to execute a precision laser engraving on leather using a fiber laser. We are going to engrave these highly detailed vector designs and see if this application is a good fit for your business. I'm Ramon Arroyo, your visual communication design specialist, Sublimon Cheese for my friends. Let's get right into the video. Alright everyone, we are now inside SCAD. We will start with this first design and go straight to the hatch settings. In hatch 1, we can see the options. A line spacing of 0.05 millimeters works perfectly, and we will set the loop distance to 0.05 millimeters as well. Notice how the design changes. This is exactly how the laser will fill in the patterns. We are going to repeat the same process for this wolf design and loop distance to 0.5 millimeters. Now click OK. The red button is used for the red light framing, which generates a real-time preview of exactly where our design will hit the engraving area. Once we hit mark, we send the data directly to the machine to begin the actual laser engraving process. To set our custom speed and power parameters, we need to uncheck the Use Default Param box. For this project, we are going to set an engraving speed of 500 and a power level of 80. Alright makers, we are back at the machine. We have secured our leather blank onto the working bed, and this is the specific color we will be using for the engraving. The red light preview is running, so we can verify the exact engraving area. I highly recommend keeping a proper ventilation setup running because leather produces a lot of heavy smoke and a very strong odor. Personally, I use an extra fan alongside the built-in exhaust system at the back of the machine, and I work right next to an open window. We are almost done, and it's looking amazing. Check out how it turned out. To show you the actual color contrast, I'm going to give it a quick wipe to clear away the debris. Let me turn off the machine real quick so I can do a signature Sublimon Cheese camera pan. There is our first engraving. Now, let's move on to the second design. Let's send this second vector to the laser. See how easily the cloth removes the smoke residue and soot? Let's do another quick camera pan. Look how incredible that looks. I really love how this one turned out. This is the result of proper lens calibration, aligning the dual laser focus dots, and calibrating the red light pointer for an accurate framing preview. Everything looks perfectly centered. Let's turn on the system and send the job. We are using the exact same speed and power parameters for consistency. Now you can see all three finished engravings up close with our classic Sublimon Cheese close-up. They turn out incredibly crisp. Ultimately, it's up to you to decide whether adding leather goods is the right move for your production line.